Welcome to Nana's pays tribute to the official adoption of the American flag with a Flag Day holiday keychain craft. We're going to use red, white, and blue pony beads for this and paracord. We cut off about 2.5 feet of that paracord and then wrap a little tape on the end of each of them so it's almost like a shoelace on both ends of the cord. You begin threading the beads in the pattern that I'm giving you on Welcome to Nana's. 3 blue beads, a red, white, and red bead, and that's your first row of beads. Put those halfway down the paracord, and then you're going to thread your second set of beads according to the pattern. Now, you're going to put those down one end of the cord, then you're going to take the second end and you're going to thread that back through those same 6 pony beads a second time, and then kind of tighten that up, and then you'll see your first 2 rows of that pattern for the key ring. This repeats over and over, not exactly the same pattern. You do 3 rows of the first pattern and then 4 rows of the second pattern. Okay, so when that's finished, you're going to take one of those keychain rings and you'll tie it onto one end, just with an overhand knot, just to keep it in place on the corner of the flag that you've made. Then take the 2 ends and tie those together. You'll clip those off, about 1 inch of extra thread, and then you will do kind of a fun part, which is you're going to use a lighter and just barely touch it to the ends of the paracord, which seals those off. Add just a little glue on top of that knot so it doesn't come loose, and there you have it, with Welcome to Nana's Flag Day Holiday Keychain Craft. Celebrating our old glory on June the 14th. We love the old red, white, and blue.